Hi, it's John here. Today I'm going to share with you my secret recipe, a black pepper sauce. For the ingredients, I have 5 tablespoons of black pepper, 15 to 20 cloves of garlic, 150 grams of onion, about 1 medium size, 3 cups of chicken stock, 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of brandy, or you can substitute it with water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 4 tablespoons of oil, and 3 tablespoons of flour. So for the black pepper, I have it coarsely grinded, so you can look at the texture. You don't want it to be too fine. And for the onion, I have already chopped it into tiny pieces. And also for the garlic, so these are the texture you want the garlic to be. First, I'm going to heat up some oil in a saucepan. And then I'm going to add the onion and fry the onion for a minute or two. And then I'm going to add in the garlic as well. Just stir fry it for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add in the black pepper and just stir fry it for another minute or two. And now I can smell the fragrance of the black pepper. Now I'm going to add in the chicken stock. And I'm going to bring it back to boil. Now I'm going to add in the tomato paste. And just add a pinch of salt for seasoning. I tend to have a low salt diet, so if you want a little bit more tasty, you can add in a little bit more salt. And here comes the dark soy sauce. And this is more for coloring. And here is the soy sauce. And the Worcestershire sauce. And it's always nice to have this black pepper sauce ready anytime in your fridge. I've mixed the brandy and the flour together, and this acts as a thickening agent, and also the brandy gives a little bit more taste to the sauce. So just keep stirring the sauce until it's thickened. So now the sauce is thickened and it's ready to be used. And I'm going to show you how to store this sauce after it cools down. I like to use an ice cube tray to store the sauce. And you just put the sauce in the ice cube tray, and then I'll put the ice cube tray into the freezer overnight, and then you're able to get some cubes of black pepper sauce. You can check the measurement of the ice cube tray. For my ice cube tray, 1 cube is about 1.5 tablespoons, and right now it's already frozen, so I'm going to take out the black pepper sauce cubes from the ice cube tray, and I'm going to store them in a freezer Ziploc bag, and then put it back into the freezer, and then you're able to get black pepper sauce anytime for your cooking. Try my recipe and let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the notification of new video. Please do come back and watch my cooking and travel video. See you next time.